motherfucking way. I just got a little package, right? I ordered some little shoes, you know what I'm saying? You know, the regular stuff that I do, you feel me? So, I'ma show them to y'all, you know what I'm saying? Let's get it. Unboxing time, man. I told y'all I'm gonna try to feed the streets more, you feel me? Because the streets need more of this cadet, but you know what I'm saying? If y'all want one, you know what to do, you feel me? But yeah, lately what I've been doing mostly, y'all, I've been buying shoes. Well, I really ain't been buying shoes like that, but I have been buying, if I do buy a shoe, it's been shoes that I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of, and I'm gonna wear them immediately. So I've been trying to do less of buying shoes and like just they be sitting up and not doing nothing. Now I gotta put them on the toes, you feel me? I got to put them on the toes. I feel like if it's a shoe that I'm buying and I don't feel like I'm gonna wear it within the next month, I'm not buying it. That's how I'm getting at it. And I've been showing a lot more restraint and willpower and discipline when it comes to buying these shoes, cause them bills gonna smack and hit every time. So you gotta budget, you feel me? But anyway, man, y'all see the box, y'all probably already know what's going on. Nike Dunks, you feel me? The low guys. I had a little experience with the highs, so we got them. So these are not the regular, what they call pandas. It's actually a women's shoe, right? So let me turn y'all down because this junk kind of bright on these shoes. But so this is actually a women's shoe, but it's like got the little vintage vibes to it or whatnot, man. So and then it said premium, so I feel like the leather was gonna be a lot better than the regular pandas. I got a pair in the living room right now that I was prepping to paint. But yeah, I mean, I feel like I'm gonna wear these quite a bit, and then I ain't gonna be like not afraid, but like hesitant on wearing them because I feel like I'm gonna mess them up. They already got like the little vintage vibe, so they ready to be worn, you feel me? But I didn't realize they had like a little metallic sheen to them. I don't know if that's picking up, y'all. It probably just looks shiny to y'all, but it is like a metallic sheen to them. The leather is a little bit better. I say the black part is better than the average Dunk or whatever, but this white is still trash. So honestly, I just gotta be real. The white is still hard brick leather that's gonna crease up and be ugly, but because they got the little vintage vibe, hopefully the more I wear them, the more this stiff leather get a little more flexible to it, you feel what I'm saying? But all in all, man, I really like these. I'm feeling them. I think I might even wear these sometime this week, man. I got a lot of black and stuff like that, so that's the reason why I got these instead of keeping the other pandas that I had. So I'm just gonna paint them up and then I'm gonna rock these. If y'all want me to put together some fits with these, let me know, man. I might just start having more fun with my channel, doing the things that I want to do and stuff like that. So I might do that. I'll at least give y'all like one like if I end up wearing them sometime throughout this week or something like that, I'll go ahead and throw the fit up there. That's what I agree to. I don't know if I'm gonna dedicate a whole video to these, but I may, man. I may go into the drip vault and put something together for y'all just to give y'all some inspiration, you know what I'm saying? Just in case you got a pair of these or a pair of the regular pandas, you feel me? Go ahead and get spicy with it, you know what I mean? Go and get a lot of seasoning, a lot of flavor, you feel me? But they slick go with the, hold on, they go with the cadet gear, you feel me? You know, yeah, you feel me? But like I said, man, I like these. All that good kinds of stuff, man. So just a little quick video unboxing and everything. I don't even need to show y'all the other shoe, but anyway, man, if y'all think about picking these up, they a little bit more than the regular Dunks. Actually, I think they're like $10 more, so I would recommend it if you can't fit into the women's sizing and stuff like that. I'm like right on the edge or whatnot, so I got these. But anyway, man, make sure you like the video, man. Join the squad, you feel me? I'ma catch y'all next time. It's been your boy. You know, yeah.